Init. So, hello VIP. So, right now we're here in McKinley. Sobrang init dito. But today, I'm going to show you lang naman a very quick tour of what's around Park McKinley West. So, are you ready? Tara! Go on the tour, on the go!
So, to give you a quick glimpse, this is the facade of Park McKinley West and located ito in Legrand Avenue, McKinley West, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. And actually, it is one of the properties that I am selling here around in McKinley area. Rent to own na rin nga pala ito. And super low lang talaga ng monthly and lump sum. So, if you're interested, comment it down below. Or i-contact nyo na lang ako sa details information dyan na binigay ko. Well, kayo nang bahala. And by the way, kung maitatanong nyo, oo, maganda dito. Not because I am an agent na nagbebenta ng property dito, but more on the side of security, convenience, and comfortability. Kasi imagine naman, 'di ba? Labi pa lang, para ka nang naka-hotel, and napaka-accessible din kasi ng area na to. And when you look at this master development plan, this particular area, yung Loton Avenue, is an access road going to NAIA Terminal 3, and I believe around 10 to 13 minutes lang to na ride from McKinley area. Pero of course, that's another video na, 'di ba? For another tour, kaya abangan nyo na lang din 'yan. So, and by the way, connected din pala itong Loton Avenue na to going to BGC. So, if gusto nyo rin ng tour from BGC, comment it down below para next content na rin natin 'yan. In McKinley area kasi, malapit lang ito to different hangouts din. Tulad nitong Asia Town, Whiskey Park, and Venice Grand Canal Mall. Pero actually, iilan lang naman yan sa mga pwede mong mapuntahan dito. And most importantly, imagine the green environment, diba? Na parang hindi ka nakatira sa loob ng Metro Manila. Sobrang less ng usok, sobrang less ng pollution, and I don't think I can give you anything more than that kasi napakamahal maging healthy ngayon kung alam nyo lang. And since andito na rin tayo, check na rin natin tong 1-bedroom unit sa showroom natin. This one is a 35 square meters, kaya talaga namang napakaganda nitong property na to. Well, by the way, this is the lowest price per square meter around BGC, and included na rin to with complete deliverables from international brands like kitchen appliances from Ariston, toilet and bath accessories from Kohler, and aircon from Daikin. Well, trusted na rin naman itong mga brands na to, so you can do your own research na lang din for your own preference. And this project is also designed by Broadway Malian, an international brand na rin naman to and very well known sa buong mundo. And then, inspired rin kasi itong project na to into modern Europeans. So, that's it.
So, if you want to know more details about Park McKinley West, comment it down below or message me directly through the details in my description. Thank you, and again, this is Clyde Pido from Megaworld at the Fort.